If this key belongs to your boo, does that make it Bookie?
Jesus is Lord! Apostle will hear of this.
What if the name of your boo is Harry? Does that make him Buhari?
There is hope.
What if I just decide to paint this car for no reason? Does that make me a carpenter?
This is what you want to use your life for?
Are you normal? Are you normal?
Does that make me a carpenter?